What is direct speech and what is indirect speech? Direct speech repeats the exact words spoken. It uses quotation marks. She said, I am happy. I am happy will be in quotation marks. Coming to the indirect speech, it tells what someone said without using the exact words. There are no quotation marks in indirect speech. She said that she was happy. Here you don't find quotation marks. There are a few rules for changing direct to indirect speech. Rule number one, remove quotation marks. He said, I like tea. I like tea will be in quotation marks in direct speech. When we change it to indirect speech, he said that he liked coffee. Rule number two, change of pronoun. If you see previous example, I like tea. Here he changed he liked tea. I becomes he. The same way, based on the pronoun, we change the consequent pronoun. Like if it is you, that depends on the who is listening, and there will be a change of time and place words. For example, in direct speech now we use, and in indirect speech it becomes then. Today we change it to that day. Tomorrow will become the next day. Yesterday the day before. Here becomes there. The next rule will be we use that in indirect speech. She said that she was busy. In direct speech, she said, I am busy. Become she said that she was busy. Coming to the command and request. In command and request, we change it to indirect speech. We use 2 plus V1 form. For example, close the door is a command. We convert into he told me to close the door. Please help me. It is a request. She asked me to help her. Here we use 2 plus V1 forms. Let us have a quick summary. In direct speech, we use the exact word. In indirect speech, we change the words accordingly. We change pronouns, tense, and time of words accordingly. In the next video, I discuss elaborately about how the tense will change when we are converting sentences from direct to indirect. Thanks for watching.